superstars, welcome for another live class. So I'm so super duper excited to have you everyone right now. So today I'm going to teach you a step by step how you can be trading any asset, any kind of the pair, just in minute 5, not 15, minute 5. Yes, I'm going to show you the blueprint of this strategy. It's so easy to implement it, so stay with me up to when we complete this live. Before we diving into the strategy, if you new here to this channel, go on and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to turn on those notification bells. Whenever I come live, you be notified, so you don't need to miss these classes. So, and another thing, if you are still don't know how to get some good signals when you're making your analysis, and then you feel you are not comfortable, so that just what you need to be buying and selling, join my free signal group. The link is there. Yes, just do that. So let us dive to the strategy. Step number 1, when we always start to trade, when you open your charts like this, as you can see, you have to identify the direction of the price. Why we identify the direction of the price? One, it is one reason, because the moment we trade against the momentum or the movement, we do what? We be crushed. For example, a river, if we are swimming going to the same direction with the river where it's flowing, you go faster, you don't get any disturb. But when you are coming reverse of the river, bro, you will use a lot of effort, and then any tool what you will be using, it will not work for you. So you find that becomes hard. So it's like that. We always start to identify the trend or the direction of the market. So most of the cases, to identify the trend, it becomes hard. You see? So this is strategy. What you have to do, you come to the daily time frame. If you want not to be in the chart, what you have to do, you go to the weekly time frame. This is a daily time frame right now. Every candle which you see here, it is 1 day complete. Do you see? So if you don't want to stick in minute 5, and you don't want to be in the chart scalping up and down, you want to become a swing trader, just open your weekly candle chart like this. What you have to do, get a vertical line like this one. Mark exactly that candle. If it's going down, it will show you red. Mine, they are showing you white. Yours will be red. Are you getting the point? So you mark it like that. Let me also increase the size like this. Do you see? We have already marked the daily. So this line is going to help us to separate the daily open and the daily close. Are you getting the point? So it also helps us to understand the bias. That the daily, when it's blue, we are buying. When it's white, we are selling. When the daily candle is green, we are buying. When it is red, we are selling. It depends on the color of the candle, what you have customized on your side, not my side. My side, they are blue and white. So it's like that. Now we have got our bias. We are going down. If you have any question, drop it to the chat. I will answer your question. Now we have finished to identify our bias. Our bias is moving down. We having red candle. Mine is white. The next step, what we have to do, we go to H1 like this. We find our one. Now we wait the chart to load. Now it have loading. So what next? Remember, we are going down. What we have to do to identify where the daily has opened from. Do you see? Exactly this region here is when the daily opened and closed. This area here. Do you see that? This is when the day opened and closed. That. So after doing that, what we have to do, make sure you do this on the first session after the day opens. Do you see? After the day opens. On GTM time zone, you can see here it closed at night. It was around 3 a.m. It closed and then it opened. So count those hours: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you getting? Well, which means from 3 a.m. up to what? It was around like 9. It was around like 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. So which session is that? Drop it in the chat section there. Which section is that? After we have Tocho, after Tocho, that section, that session which is following the Tocho session. So it's when we come to find the setup now, because the daily will be already opened and then printing that color which will give us the bias. Maybe it buy, maybe it sell. So exactly when we came by that time, let us assume by that time when we came, we found the price is around these areas. Is when we found the price around this area. So after identifying that, what we have to do, we mark the broken structures. We mark the broken structures. So let us get our tool and then we mark those broken structures. So we have here a high, and then we had a low, and then the price break this area here, exactly this one. We mark it like that. We start from the bottom up to the wick. All of this structure wick, you see this one, then we highlight it like that. We bring it in the future like that. So after that happened, we are looking for the sale. Now we go to our 5 minute. We go to our 5 minute like that. This is our entry time frame, 5 minutes. H1 for looking the zone, the broken zone, and then daily for looking the bias. So here we have to identify exactly when the market move down like this. We wait, it pulls up, it starts making the higher highs and the higher lows. Are you getting the point? We wait, the price start making the higher highs and the higher lows. Like here, how you see how it moved. Here we had a high, we had a low. Let me bring my pencil here. Where's my pencil? This one. You can see here the market moved up, we moved down, we moved up, we moved down, like that. So we have to wait the market start printing this one. If the market starts printing this, we wait something to happen like this. Do you see? This is what we have to wait. We wait the market move up, come down, move up, come and break this structure here. After breaking the structure, we identify the order block exactly there. We wait the market to come and mitigate that order block, and then we do what? And then we continue down. That is what we look before we execute. Then, after the market comes to our order block, let me do like this. Do you see? You know, we talk with an examples when they are also going on. Not so? So, be patient with me and just look very well to the screen and you understand what I'm talking about. Do you see when the market was moving downwards? We had that. These legs, low, high, low, high, low, high. And then we had here double bottoms. When we get those double bottoms, we started creating the higher highs and higher lows. You see, when we came at this point and then we break what? We break the structures. Let me remove this big order block so that you can understand very well. Do like this. You see, we had a structure here that which was our support. This one. Do you see it? That was our support. Now the market broke it. After break that support, and then we came and retest. After retest that support, we moved up. Then we didn't go far, because remember, we are retesting in H1. We broke H1, we get that zone or the key level or the U-turn. We can call it a U-turn, U level, whatever. I'm meaning like this. This is an example what I'm talking about. I'm meaning like this. You can call a U-turn, you can call a level, you can call anything, as long as you want to make it something easy. So you don't need to make things difficult. So you see, when the market here breaks this, come and make a retest, we continue up, we come and then we broke all of it. This is our confirmation that now the uptrend in minute 5 is over. Now we are going down. Are you getting the point? So after identifying that now it's time we are going down, what do we have to do, bro? To identify our last bullish candle or last buy candle, which leads this move to go down. Are you getting the point? What had made this move to go down? I mean that one. So where is our candle? This is our candle here. Are you getting the point? Let me do this. This is our candle, which lead the move to go down. That one. What you can see it very well. Let me highlight it. This is our candle here very well. So we highlight. We start from here to the week up to the week of this candle. We highlight it, all of it, like that. You see? And then we take it to the future. We wait the market to come back inside of that candle. You see? Yeah. And the market came very well to this candle. Let me change the color here so that you can see it very well. So this is our targeting. These are the confirmations before we execute. You see what will happen. Now you can see here the market came very well doing something like this. It came making the low, making the high, making the high, making the low, and then they come, they break this structure. You are there watching very well. After breaking here, now it confirms that our minute 5 order block is ready to hold the price so that we can continue with the overall trend. This, now we have break it. We wait the price to come and retest that broken structure. Are you getting the point? After that structure getting broken and retested, the next step, what we have to do, bro, to identify the candlestick. So what is our candlestick do we have here? You can see it. We have very, very good candlestick here. How do you call it? This candlestick. This one. Do you see it? Yes. Because here we break, we come to retest, and now this candle which have given us this big rejection and closed like this, you can call it a hammer. You can call it whatever you want. You can call it like that. I don't know. You give it a name. This is going to be our what? Our entry point. Exactly. After getting that, if we don't see a certain candle like this, the good candle, what to identify very fast, it's what we call a bearish engulfing, like this. It will be big candle overtaking these ones, from our break and retest of the block for the second time, and then here you execute. Are you getting the point? That is how you can be those confirmations. Then after executing, so where is our execute? Now here it comes to risky to reward ratio. Yes, risky to reward what? Risky to reward ratio. This is our execution. We enter, boom, there. Hey, someone was calling me, so I had to continue with that call. Yes, where we were, risky to reward ratio, like this. What do we target? We have to target 1 to 2. 1 to 2, they're enough. 1 to 2. If you want to go for 1 to 3, bro, don't be greedy with that, man. The opportunities in the market, they are there. They don't get what? They don't get finished. You see? So this was today. Today, if you wake up in the morning, you deal what I have shown you like that. Now today you made a lot of money. You see? Very easy and peasy. Are you getting the point? That is how we identify the direction, how we find the structures, how we confirm the entries, and how we execute, and how we risk, where to put the stop loss, where to take the TP. I think you have got everything cleared. Now, listen this. Whenever the price move 50% here, do you see? That is 1-to-1. What you have to do? Go and make adjustment of your stop loss. Move your stop loss to here to break even. So if the price comes and hits, you will not make money and you will not lose. Just make like that. 2 pips from your entry and then to break even. Your stop loss. Put that stop loss to the break even. When you put that, you'll be safe. You will sleep. Or what you can do, another thing, if you see that now it have reached on what? It have reached on 50% like this. The next thing, what you can do? Where is our execution? The execution was here, like that. If it have reached to the 50%, what you can do? For instance, if you have just entered with 10 entries, what you have to do? Close 5 entries, and then you leave with 5 entries to go and run and hit your TP. Those entries which are remaining, and put all of them in what? At the break even. Yeah, that is how we call managing your trade. Are you getting the point? If you feel that these things they are going to give you headache, join my free signal group. The link is there. Then there will be earning like a king. For us, we will do all the work for you. We give you the signal. What you have to do to click buy or sell is like that. Yes. Any question? Just drop it there. And I will answer you guys. Just drop your question there. I don't see any questions, so we have to continue with our charts, right? Let me go back to our charts. So, where do we expecting now? First, I have shown you the strategy. I have shown you the sell side, the way, because the market have showed me the sell side. So if you want to back test for all, I show you the buy side until the candle when it prints blue here. So let me go to the daily here, and we go back to the daily. If try to find the blue candle here, and we mark it so that I can show you how you can trade if the daily is buy like this. This is our daily candle, this blue one, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Will it minute 5 come back at this side? I don't know. Let me change the color of this line so that we can recall it like that. So we go to H1. We identify that exactly which daily we marked. The daily showing us buy. How could we trade in that day? Let us find our line. Where is it? It's here. The daily showed buy. Do you see? It opens, gone down, and then comes up. We identify the structure to be broken, and when they break it, we wait, they come to make a retest on it. So, according to these structures, which one is to be marked? This one here, this one here, or this one here? Which one should we mark? That we wait the price to come and retest on it, so that we can continue with the day. This is structure 1, and this is structure 2. So you can drop 1 or 2, then chart, and you go together. So mine as me, I could mark this one. I could mark this one as waiting my price to come. Each one. This, like this. I mark it very well like that. So I wait my price to come back on during that day. So I have found where I will be entering, and until the price come back to that level is when I will enter. So I come to my minute 5 like that. You see, where is our line? Let us find it. It is. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yes, it's here. You see how we did it? The price break that very well, come back to make a retest. But it didn't give us exactly what we always need to do. So, which means this day we couldn't trade because we wanted the price come and break after break, come back and make a retest. Are you getting? Like how it did here. We break, come and make a retest by mitigating this order block. Are you getting the point? So like this, we come and then we come to mitigate this order block here like that, and then we get the confirmation bullish engulfing candle, whatever, and then we swing market up. But this didn't happen here very well. Do you see? Before you jump, you can see the market gives us the only buy momentum didn't pull back, because before we get this one confirm that we are to go up, now we have to wait to see that the market, the minute 5, it have reached here. For instance, it have moved like that, it have reached here. So we want to see that the price comes making the lower lows and the lower highs like that. Do you see? Until it comes back to retest here like this. This is what we want. Now it have retested in minute 5. So we wait until the price does something like this. Now we have to break this region here. After breaking, we identify the order block here down. Now we have come minute 5. You just looking the price, it broke this area here like that, and then we have to wait to identify the order block around this area in minute 5, and then the price comes in. After comes in like that, do we enter? No. What next do we have to do? We just wait the what? The candlesticks confirmation, very single thing, hanging man, morning star, whatever, you know, a reversal what? A reversal candlesticks is what we have to identify here after the price entering in that order block. Are you getting the point? Don't just jumping in because you have seen this structure got broken and then you say now it's time you go. You need a sniper entry. Bro, yes, sniper entry, 0 drawdown, they are good. But man, you can be caught here. And then you say, oh, if I could have waited my candlestick patterns, and then you enter. This is the first confirmation, and this is the second confirmation. And then we have the big structure, break and retest. Are you getting the point? In H1. So these candlesticks here, they are going to help us to confirm our entry, and we'll be sure. Yes, now we enter. Boom, we bring the market up. So everything which I have explained, they didn't happen this day here, which means you didn't trade. Did you lose? No, you didn't lose anything. Did you gain? No. Yes or no? Yes, you gain. What? You have become a disciplined trader. Do you see? Now you are a disciplined person. You respect the market. You wait the market to follow your rules, not you to follow rules of the market. Are you getting the point? You wait the market to come to you, not you to go for the market. So, yes, that is the buy side. I think you have learned something very, 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 very good. If you have not yet subscribed, bro, do for me a favor and hit that subscribe button, because that is the only price what we can give me. And when you subscribe, you like, you say this life, man, I get the power to teach you. Yeah, man, I get the power of teaching you guys. So that is all what I have. Just I want to add you something as a bonus. If you are still with me here, something. Whenever you come to the chart, any kind of asset, what you have to do, you have to first understand the characteristics of that pair. Oh, wow, I'm getting paralyzed. You see, you have to understand the characteristics of that asset which you are trading. What are those characteristics or the behaviors? You have to read the candles, how they move. For instance, let me go to H1 or H4. H4 is good. And then I saw you something. Let me delete here everything. Now, if you can see this H4 here, if you can see it very well. Now, what are the behaviors or how do you understand that this price, this assets moves like this, or this nani do like this? Do you see how you can move the charts like this, and you see how this pair behaves? Are you getting the point? So the easy way to do this, you can start marking every kind of the zone like this. You mark this area here like that. You say, okay, when this market comes and hits this area, when did the big move starts? Do you see? You can say, yes, it breaks, come and retest for the first time, and then it comes and retest for the second time. When the second time retested, what happened to see this big move coming? You can read everything from here at the candle. You see? Say, okay, that is the way. Now you move to another side like this. Okay, we have another zone here. You see? Like this. We mark it like that. And then you also read, when the market hits something like this, what happened? Yes, it drops. One time it drops. Second time, the third time it drops. Okay. Now you are ready. This it will help you to get the key levels which you will be using to trade those assets. Now, for instance, now you can see that this 75, it have a habit. Whenever it reaches on the certain zone, if it makes a lot, let me do like this. Do you see now this area here, this one? Now you mark your area like that. Because it's the behavior of this asset, now we have seen it. So you wait, which means when it comes back to here, it will have to bounce from that area. So there is no need of start fighting to trade when the market is moving there, because its behaviors, when it makes some U-turn like this, here, these ones, when it comes back to that, it have to bounce from there. You see, that is one habit of that pair. Kasaija. So that is only what I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for being with me on this live. See you to the next class. Much love. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and to join the free signals. Yes.